so that we can say it here. Can you hear me, guys? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Kishore, but all this while it was disconnected.
No. I know it here. Power gone. Just power gone. After 2 minutes, power got it. We
Oh,
got
okay, okay.
it. Okay. Right. I don't worry. And now we can see it here. What we started here is say that here. Look at that. Okay, that may be software or that may be platform. Or you can say it like this. Platform or that may be storage or the server, analytics, anything you can take it here. See, many are there here. Or AI, right? See, man, all are ready-madely available and all are set up in the remote server, right? That remote server is working with the help of the internet. Are you getting me? Now, what they're doing it here, these vendors are going to deliver the softwares or the platforms or the servers, whoever the clients are needed. Actually, they are looking for the ready-madely available. So they are ready-madely available, which is already set up in the cloud. Okay, which is set up in the cloud. From this cloud, they are going to deliver to the multiple clients. See, man, all these clients will become, okay, the vendor will become the tenants. All these clients will become the tenants because they're using the software, but the software is not belongs to them. It is belongs to the vendor here. Are you getting? And they're going to pay monthly rental on the usage of the software. That is nothing but the cloud computing. Okay, that is nothing but the cloud computing. You may ask me the question, sir. Okay, how this vendor is delivering this software to the clients? How it is possible there here? They cannot go door to door and they cannot deliver here, right? So how they can deliver it means, look at here, very simple. Okay, they are going to use some sort of services to deliver the software. Like suppose if they want to deliver the software, they're using it here SaaS service. Okay, look at when 10 of your friends went to a restaurant, for example. One server or one steward will come and serve you the food. Is that in the same manner? Are you getting? If they want to deliver the software, software is only one. But if you want to deliver the software, they are using this service there here. Software as a service. Through this service, they can deliver the ABC software to the clients so that the clients can use and they can start business implementation with the software. Are you getting or not? And once that usage is done here, they're going to leave it here. Until that, they're going to pay the monthly rental because they are the tenants. So that they're using the software there, man. Right. Next is another service is there. If they want to provide, if the clients are needed only platforms there, and at that moment they are using this, right? They are using this platform as a service. There is the platform as a service. Okay, there is the platform as a service. What the purpose was that so that they can deliver the platforms to the clients, because we cannot expect every client is using the software. There's some clients needs platforms also, so that by that platform they can build some other applications so that they can sell these applications some other customers. So that type of business are there here, right? Sometimes the clients can use this platform. So to deliver the platforms, they're using the platform as a service. They hear this, and some clients are there here, man. Like they need only storage, the servers. Okay, so that the vendor can deliver this service there by using IR service. They can use it here. This what's that? Infrastructure. Infrastructure as a service. There is infrastructure as a service. There is using it here. This so that by using this service, they can deliver the storages or the servers. Okay, to the clients there. That is the meaning of we can say it here. This right. So these three are the services that they can use it here, that you want to deliver the softwares or the platforms or the servers to the clients. Got it? So this is the way they hit this. And I want to define this cloud computing, man. Here. How can we define this cloud computing? Okay, very simple. I want to define this cloud computing actually. Here is how to define this cloud computing. Look at here. We got it here one thing there. What is that? Cloud computing is used to deliver the softwares, the platforms, the servers, are you getting? And the analytics, everything you can find it here, this, right? Right? Or the AIs, artificial intelligence, everything there here, this, right? So for that purpose, they're using it here. So that how we can define this cloud computing there? Okay, I'm going to write like this. Cloud computing is this. If you want, you can take it this. Cloud computing is a okay. Cloud computing technology. What can I say? Defines to the delivery of. You can say delivery of to the delivery of computing service. There it is. Computing services. What are the computing services here? Very simple. The computing services there, like softwares, we can say like this. Softwares, like platforms, we can say that here. Platforms and the servers. Some other computing service, we can say the networking. Okay, some other computing service, databases. Okay, any other computing service there? Analytics. Okay, and some other, we can say that AI, artificial intelligence. See that, man? Cloud computing defines to the delivery of computing service. All are the computing services. Here also delivering the computing services there. Softwares, platforms, servers are getting, they're delivering to the clients. Here we can say it here this simply. Okay, the delivery of computing service like servers, platforms, softwares, networking, database, analytics, and AI are getting AI over the internet, man. Here. Okay, over the internet. Over the internet. Right? Is nothing but cloud computing technologies there. Or cloud computing services or cloud computing technologies. That is the definition of the cloud computing. If you understand this concept here, this, okay, I can go with another 2 keywords if you need to learn from this. Did you understand this? Exact meaning of the cloud computing or not? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm expecting the response from the other people. Other people? Hamsundar, Hemant, Ritesh Wake.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. We need to understand another 2 keywords in this one there. First thing is then, man, on premise. Are you getting? On premise and on demand. On premise, on demand is. I can define it is. Cloud computing technologies defines cloud computing technologies, or we can say like this. Or on demand technologies there. On demand technologies. Okay. That defines to the delivery of computing service. Like this, we can say that it is on demand. Why I use this on demand technology there. Okay, so we need to see that the difference there. What's the on premise? What the on demand? Let me remove this one there. Okay, I want to say it here this. Suppose, man, we need to understand this why it is on demand, why it is not on premise. The cloud computing techniques are on demand always. Why they are not on premise? Let me take one example there. You can see it here. I'm a owner. Okay, I'm a owner of MS Office, man. For example, I'm a owner of MS Office, right? I'm a owner of MS Office. I have the customers. Some customers using the desktops like this. Are you getting? Some customers are using the laptops like this. You can say it like this. Are you getting? And some customers are having, see, customers are there, but they're not using it here. Look at me. The laptops and the tablets like this, you can use it here. See, I have some customers, if they pay $50 per year, and I can grant them the access and to download my software and to install my software there. Okay, because they're having the Windows operating system there. Windows OS is there here for them. And they're also having the Windows OS here. This. Look at me. And if they pay $50 for me, so that I can give them the access to download and install my software there. And after that, they can use my software there. And I can provide them the key. I can provide them the key so that they can enter the key, they can use my software. And look at man, because they have the Windows operating system, it is very easy to download and install. Okay, good. But coming to mobile device customer, they are not having the Windows operating system, and the tablets also they are not having the Windows operating system. Try to understand here this. Okay, as a owner of the software, I'm unable to satisfy these two device customers. Are you getting? As a owner of the software, I'm not able to satisfy every device customer. Okay, if you are not able to satisfy every device customer, I'm satisfying only within the premises, within the premises only they're here. That is nothing but here is on-premise. Are you getting? That's the concept of on-premise. But the cloud compute techniques are not on-premise, they're the on-demand. Let me take the same thing there. Here is, I'm using the same thing there. Okay, I'm taking the same with another example there. Let me take the Gmail application. I'm a owner for the Gmail application there here. Are you getting? I'm a owner for the Gmail application. And my device, you can see that I have the many customers are there. Okay, all are having the internet and the browsers there. Here is. Are you getting? Internet and the browsers they are having there. Here is. You try to understand here this. All are having the internet and browsers there. Right? All are having the internet and browsers there. If they have the internet and browsers, okay, directly I can deliver my software to them so that they can use it here. No need to install and no need to download. Sorry, no need to download, no need to install. No installation, no download is not available here. Not needed there actually. If they have that internet, okay, they can open my Gmail and they can access it. Okay, here also in the same device, here also in the same device I can say it here is. Here also in the same device I can say it here is. If they have the internet and the browsers, so that I can satisfy the every device customer. If my software is satisfying, right, every device customer, that will comes under the on demand. That is about here this, right? That is about here this cloud computing technology on demand. We can say that cloud computing technology is nothing but, okay, let's say on cloud computing or on demand technologies that defines to the delivery of computing services, right? Like these all are. Over the internet here is. Okay, without the internet is not possible there. Without the internet, it is not possible there. So cloud computing technologies or on-demand technologies, we can say that. One more line. You can say ready-made technology. They are the ready-made technologies there. Ready-made technology. See, number of lines you can provide this. Cloud computing technologies are on-demand technologies or ready-made technologies, which is already available. They store it in the remote servers there. From there, they are going to deliver to the multiple clients. If the clients are ready to use those softwares as per their business process, they can use it and they can pay the monthly rental. And in that point, we can say that the clients will act as a tenants so that they're using the software and they're going to pay monthly rental and they're going to use the software for their business process, because developing their own software is a big headache, so that they cannot afford. Even the new clients also willing to take the ready-madely available softwares, and the old clients, those who started already business, they are also willing to start their business with the ready-made softwares. That is nothing but the cloud computing, man. Okay, if you understand this cloud computing, man, it's very easy to understand Salesforce. Let me start the Salesforce. Just I will take another 15 minutes so that you can understand about the Salesforce there here, man. Right? Look at that. Let me take one example there so that you can understand better, right? We have a client. You consider multiple clients, but I'm taking the single client here. Okay? I'm taking a client called, who is the client? The client name is there, man. I can take the client name as Sony. Who is that? Sony. Because Sony is well known for everyone there. That's why. Okay. The client is under Sony. What the Sony is doing the business actually? They are manufacturing electronics products like digital cams, LED TVs, LCD TVs, wall TVs, curved TVs, as well as we can say that mobile gadgets, mobiles, right? And many products are there. They're manufacturing these products, are getting, and they're selling these products to worldwide. How they're selling these products? Okay, will they go for door to door to deliver these products? No, no, no. They're using some sort of softwares there, so that through that they started their business. Okay, and they're implementing now they're implementing nowadays here, right? So this client Sony is having many customers worldwide. They're doing the business worldwide. Okay, manufacturing company somewhere else, and the customers are there somewhere else here. If this client is having the customers worldwide, I can say one customer, you can take it here this. Okay, what's the customer name? Suppose we have one customer here this. The customer name is there, Bajaj Electronics. Okay, Bajaj is the one customer there to the client Sony. We have some other customer there, like what's that? Like Chroma stores. Okay, Chroma store is the Chroma stores is another customer to the client Sony. Some other customers are there, like Sony Vision. Are you getting some other customers? Like this, we have the multiple customers, thousands of millions of customers are there for the Sony client Sony there, right? So what they want here is this client wants to look at me. This client wants to interact with their customers. They all are the customers here. Okay, they all are the customers here. This client wants to interact with their customers. The client wants to sell their products to their customers. The client wants to, we can say, send some opportunities or deals, potential deals to their customers. The client wants to provide good service to their customers. The client wants to chat with their customers. And the clients wants to provide solutions for their queries there. Finally, okay, the client wants to available with their customers there. How it is possible? Okay, how it is possible? Yes, it is possible by using a software, because up to now what I discussed here this, the client wants to do that, a client wants to do this, a client wants to do provide services, client wants to sell the products. This all will come from the CRM related things there. Customer relationship management, CRM. Okay, we know it here, this heading is there, CRM, Salesforce CRM. So that what we're discussing, all those things the client wants to do with their customers, all relate to the CRM technology. And they want to use here a software to interact with their customers. They want to use here the software to interact with their customers there. 1 second. Right? So that we can see it here where we are. We need to see that they need to interact with their customers there. How it is possible? How they can interact there? They need a software. That name of that software, okay, man. Name of that software is, what the name of the software, man? Tell me, anyone? Name of that software that they're using it here to interact with their customer is Salesforce. Got it? Are you getting me? So the client Sony is using the Salesforce CRM. We can say that Salesforce software, which contains the CRM technologies, so that it will help them to interact with their customers, so that they can interact with this. The client Sony can interact with the customers through a software called Salesforce CRM. Did you understand this part or not? Did you understand this part or not, man? Hello? Everyone is there?
That's it. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, good. How the client Sony will get the software? We have another story there actually. We have actually the vendor, we can find it here is, okay. We have the company called, we can say that, we have the company called Salesforce.com. Okay. We have the company called, okay, Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is the company. Are you getting? Okay, that is co-founder to Mr. Mark Benioff. Are you getting a Mr. Mark Benioff? And the Parker Harris there he is. Okay, Parker Harris. See, man, the current CEO of this company is Mr. Mark Benioff. He started this company in the year 1999. Are you getting? Sorry, it is 1999 there. Okay, in the year 1999, they started this company there. Right? And see, actually, Mr. Mark Benioff in example of Oracle there. Okay, he's a chief executive in Oracle. He stopped working in the Oracle there and he started establishing the company called Salesforce.com in the year 1999. And after establishing this company, they developed one software. And not only development here, once that the software is developed here, this after that, they established the software. They set up the software in the cloud. Okay, they set up the software in the cloud like this is. Look at man, got it? They set up the software in the cloud like this. Okay, the name of the software is there, man. You can say it here this Salesforce CRM. Not only software, they have that Force.com platform. They have that Force.com platform and the database.com. Okay, database.com. So it's like this, how they read this, right? Got it? And they set up here like this. They set up the software, okay, and the cloud like this, right? And they're controlling the software there. This is for CRM, customer relationship management, is a technology that is embedded with the Salesforce. Salesforce is having the inbuilt business functionalities, like belongs to the sales operations, service operations, community operations, or the marketing operations, or health and patient, the doctor and patient related operations, means health cloud operations. Many operations are there here. Okay, or like e-commerce operations. Many operations are there inside the Salesforce CRM because it is a inbuilt software actually. But along this inbuilt business functionalities, they're also having the technology called customer relationship technology, right? That is embedded with the Salesforce. So it will help the client when you deliver the software to the client like this. Are you getting? When you deliver the software to the client like this, here this. right? So it will help to the client to interact with their customer, so that the Salesforce.com is going to deliver the Salesforce CRM to the clients like this. Got it? Not only this client, I'm saying example of this client. Like this, where the number of clients are there, all the clients are looking for the commonly available software like Salesforce CRM. Are you getting? And the many clients are having the many business processes. Okay, right? Depends upon their business needs. They need a software, so that finally the software is a Salesforce CRM. Okay, inside the Salesforce CRM, we have the many modules are there. Many products are available here. This are getting inside this. Depends upon the client business requirement. They can choose that related product to them. Are you getting, like if we come to that, Salesforce is having the products like this. What are the products are there here, man? What are the Salesforce products are there, like a Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Cloud? Are you getting? And you can say many things there, like Marketing Cloud, Health Cloud. Are you getting? Health Cloud. Okay, Financial Service Cloud, Financial Service Cloud. Are you getting? And Financial Force, Financial Force. Are you getting? On the e-commerce? Okay, we can say that it is e-commerce. E-commerce stores are there, right? Online stores, e-commerce cloud or commerce cloud. You can say that. Okay, you can say that commerce cloud. Like this, many are available here. This in the Salesforce, right? Salesforce is an inbuilt software that contains these many products. Suppose we will come to this Sony. Sony is manufacturing their product. Okay, their products are there, and they want to sell their products to the customers. If they want to sell their product, they are choosing the Salesforce CRM. Look at here, this. Listen to me carefully. They are choosing the Salesforce CRM. Okay, Salesforce CRM, and inside the Salesforce CRM, what they need here? Inside the Salesforce CRM, what they need there? Sales Cloud. They need this. Are you getting me? They need the Sales Cloud. Okay, Sales Cloud. They need here this. Okay, for the Sony. Got it? Not all the clouds are there. Not all the products, all the clouds there. Sony is especially needed, Salesforce CRM. Inside the Salesforce CRM, Sales Cloud, they need to start selling their products to the customers through this software. Suppose the client Sony, they want to provide service to their customers. Again, what they need? Salesforce, they need, and here the Service Cloud they need here, so that through that Service Cloud they can provide service to their customers. Like this. Again, in the Service Cloud, we have some editions are available there here. Which edition that you want, that edition can be provided to the clients. If the client is very big client, bigger editions, more number of features are there in the edition, that edition can be used by the clients. If the client is very small client, they need only minimal, what can I say? Minimal features are there. Okay, minimal edition they are going to use it. Like we have the editions also there, like personal edition, performance edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition. Depends upon the editions are there. Okay, in this clouds also again the editions are available here. This, so that can be delivered to the clients only. That is the final thing. That is about the Salesforce, man. He may ask me the question there. You are saying Salesforce is already inbuilt business functionalities it contains there. Like all are the inbuilt business functionalities it contains here. This, why you need as a developer? Why you are taking the training on this? Yes. I'm coming to this point. Actually, you are working as a developer under this client, developer or administrator like this. Under this client, you are working there. Okay, good. Working. Why you are working as a developer there? Already Salesforce has some inbuilt business functionalities are there. Directly that can be used by the client. Why you need to use this? I will come to this point. See, man. Salesforce, as I said, the Salesforce contains inbuilt business functionalities there, which are very helpful for the client business process. Yes, the client can use those business functionalities and they can implement their business process. Good. Sometimes the client is getting the unique business requirements in their business process. But that unique business requirements are not at all be available in the Salesforce CRM. At the time, Salesforce will provide you to create your own functionalities there, so that the client Sony can hire the developers like you and me, and they're hired like you and me, and through me or through you, they're going to fulfill their business requirements. So as a developer, you are going to fulfill the requirements of the clients only. You're going to fulfill the requirements of the client. Okay, they are the unique business requirements which are not available in the Salesforce. But Salesforce will provide you the platforms to build the requirements there. Here. Are you getting or not? That is the thing. Both the configuration and the customization options are available in the Salesforce. If you want, you can do the setups which are available already in the Salesforce there, or if you want to build the new things which are not available in the Salesforce, that also you can do it here. This. For that purpose, Salesforce is hiring you as a developer there. The main advantage is, you can use the inbuilt functionality of the Salesforce. That's the first thing. Okay. Second thing is there, if you want to do any setups or settings as per your needs, you can do it here. That is also available there. The third thing is there, if anything is not available from the Salesforce as per your business requirement, you also can build your own requirements there. And you can satisfy the thing. You can satisfy your business requirement. Are you getting? So that is the main advantage of the Salesforce CRM. You can use the existing functionality which is available already from the Salesforce, plus you can also build your own functionality which is not available in the Salesforce. That facility is given here. And coming to, if anyone wants to learn the Salesforce, minimum a degree is needed here. Any degree, that may be BA or BCom, BSc, MS, MSc, BTech, MTech, or any graduation is needed here, Got it? No need to worry here. And in this, we are going to discuss the modules like this. First one is the administration. Okay, administration means this module is the first module there. This module is having the no code. Only the declarative part. Declarative means by using the mouse, we can do the operations there. Are you getting? No coding is there. It's a purely declarative through point and click. Point and click means mouse operations, we can do it here. That's the first model, that we need to discuss here. Right, man? And the second model is there, like what's the declarative? You do it here. Declarative and the point and click. The second model is development. You can see that. It's purely the development here. Point number 2 is the development here. I'm taking here this development. The development is nothing but you can say, here, right? It is code customization contains here. Means we not write the code here. We not write the code. Got it? And what type of code we not write in this Apex programming? We can say that it is Apex programming. Apex programming, we not write here this Apex program you are going to build based on the OOPS concepts that I will teach you there in the sessions. You don't know. I'm going to teach you that OOPS concepts also there. Okay. So this programming language, without any basic programming knowledge, you can start learning this one because actually it is not, but because I'm going to teach you this OOPS concepts in the class. Based on OOPS only, we can learn this Apex programming here. So I'm going to teach you them both. And the third one is there, here is right LWC. Okay, LWC means here is Lightning Web Component. Here is web components. Are you getting it? Now this is the hottest, means we can say that in Salesforce the jobs are available in the Lightning Web Components nowadays. Now here this, but if you want to learn this Lightning Web Components, you have to learn all those things there. Admin, development, everything that you need to learn it is no doubt in this. And so this one, okay, you are going to work on this Lightning Web Components as well as integration here. In live, I'm saying it here is integration there. Okay, you are going to work on this integration there, right? Integration plays a vital role in the development part, Lightning Web Components and the integration. So these are the modules that I'm going to teach you, okay, as a part of the training there. Okay, it is my demo. Any questions from your side? Tell me. Hello. Srinath, Hemsundar, Hemant, Ritesh.
Kishore, I have a question. Like, we have total 4 sessions, right? So the class duration will be like 4 months. So, for each point, how many months it gonna take for for example, for administration, how many months there'll be the session?
It will take more than 2.5 months. It will take it, man. 2.5 to 3 months. It will take there.
Okay. So
Total.
total, all these four will be covered in 4 months. That's what you're saying?
2.5 to 3 months. It will take it here. Yes, definitely.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay.
So,
Because
so you are saying, we will cover all the 4 points in this 4 months. That's what you're saying.
that's the reason I'm saying it here. You are going to work on the Lightning Web Components, especially.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. So Lightning Web Component integration plays vital role there on getting the jobs. And they're
Mhm.
focusing in it, they're focusing on the Lightning Web course and integration. Okay. One on
Okay.
one questions from this Apex programming there. But if you want to learn these things, Apex programming is must.
Got it. Got it.
Are you getting me? So that's
Yes.
the thing there. Not only like this, we are also providing, we are also cracking the interviews there. I think he heard it right. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
for that purpose also, you need to learn all those things that he does. Okay. We are helping you and cracking the interviews there. Right? Okay, guys. Any questions? I'm closing this session. I'm running out of this, right? Any other questions? Please ask me. First, tell me, did you understand the demo or not?
Yes, for sure. That's good. I
Okay,
understood. All
right,
good.
right. Okay, guys. We will meet in the next session. Okay. I'm having the interview there. We will meet in the next session. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you.